If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Microsoft Publisher allocates the space surrounding a publication as a scratch area to store pictures or shapes. If you insert multiple pictures at the same time, using either the Insert Picture dialog box or the Online Pictures window in Publisher, it adds the selected pictures into a column within the scratch area to the right of the publication page. To add pictures from the scratch area to a page in Publisher, click and drag the pictures from the scratch area into the publication pages. Conversely, to remove a picture and to add it to the scratch area in Publisher, click and drag a picture off a publication page and then drop it into the scratch area. To swap pictures in the scratch area with existing pictures in the publication pages, click to select a picture in the scratch area. Then hover your mouse pointer over the picture until an icon of a mountain appears in the center of the picture. Then click and drag the Pictures Mountain icon to move the selected picture onto the location of the existing picture in the page. When the border of the picture in the page turns pink and the selected picture appears within it, release the mouse button to swap the images. To set a picture in Publisher as the background of a publication page, right-click a picture in either the scratch area or content area of a publication page. Then roll over the Apply to Background command in the pop-up menu that appears. From the side menu that appears, click either the Fill command to fill the background of the page with the image, or click the Tile command to tile the selected image over the page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.